I was studying tonality in linguistics. And while studying tonality, if you get into phonetics and phonology in linguistics, the physics of sound is inevitable. And from a research scientist perspective, I felt like I was doing myself an injustice. The linguistics of sound, or the physics of sound. You know, you strum a chord or you play an instrument and it emits a sound. There's a sound that's emitted from the instrument. You know, so what did... Right. And in the C major scale, there are no sharps, so flats is C, D, E, F, G, A, C. So all the notes